welcome back everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the best yoga and meditation retreats in India. First of all, we all are aware of that yoga is very necessary for our day-to-day life, isn't it? Without yoga, without meditation, our life is not stable. We always should perform this kind of activities for a healthy and balanced life. So in a country like India, there are various different sorts of retreats, recreational center where this kind of activities are being performed. India is the birthplace of yoga and Ayurveda, the place where Buddha became enlightened, the home of the oldest civilizations and one of the most spiritual countries in the world. Visiting India can be life-changing and transformational, and it's not surprising that this country attracts so many spiritual seekers who come from various countries, various corners of the world to perform this kind of activities for the spiritual well-being and share the numbers of amazing yoga and meditation retreats in India. Yoga is probably the most well-known, but it's been misused or misunderstood in the West because some of the people, they are not aware of an activity called yoga. Yoga is so much more than just physical exercise. In fact, the whole point of yoga is to prepare the body and mind for meditation. Yoga meditation and India has really changed people's life, isn't it? We see the people who are spiritual, who have devotion inside them and who want to go for a new solace, peace, tranquility in life, yoga is must. There are so many benefits of taking a retreat and many wonderful places to enjoy yoga and meditation retreats in India. From holy mountain-like towns in the Himalayas to beach resorts along the coastlines of Arabian Sea, plus everything in between. The capital of yoga is Rishikesh. It is located in India. The Buddha attained enlightenment in Bodh Gaya, India, and the tropical South Indian state of Kerala is also the home of Ayurveda, considered to be the oldest healing science and system of natural medicine. In fact, there are so many yoga and meditation retreats in India that it can be a bit overwhelming and hard to decide which are the best one you should choose for your own recreational purpose. A great site that I can recommend and use to find yoga and meditation retreat in India is you can go to one website, that is www.bookyogaretreats.com and www.bookmeditationretreats.com, because they list all sorts of retreats and most are very welcoming to all the beginners. You can even find meditation teacher training courses if you want to go in depth, and you can also avail certificate courses, degree, diploma as well as professional courses in yoga and meditation. You also have to be careful on the spiritual path, as not all gurus are the real deal, because some of them might be fake as well. So you have to be very careful while choosing the best recreational center, which is going to be the most important one for your lifetime. Some may even take advantage of a spiritual seeker, so it's a good idea to get reviews and recommendations from others to know if a yoga retreat or meditation center is good or not. So some of the best yoga and meditation retreats in India, I'm going to mention a few of them. We have Isha Yoga Center, which is in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Ashiana Yoga Retreat, Mandrim, Goa. Tushita Meditation Center, Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh. Yoga Vidya Mandiram, Rishikesh. Osho Meditation Resort, Pune, Maharashtra. Dhamma Bodhi Vipassana Center, Bodh Gaya, Bihar. Vedansha Institute of Vedic Science and Alternative Medicine, Rishikesh. Bodhi Ayurvedic and Yoga Retreat, Kochi, Kerala. Sivananda Yoga Ashram, Trivandrum, Kerala. Ananda in the Himalayas, Narendranagar, Uttarakhand. Saptrashami Yoga Dharamshala. Mysore, Krishnamachar Yoga Shala, Mysore. The Art of Living International Center, Bangalore. So these are the famous meditation and yoga retreat centers in India. So anyone who is fond of doing any kind of activity or being involved in it and want to get a certificate, out of these courses, you all are most welcome to visit all these recreational centers. Thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you're able to understand what I'm trying to discuss in this video. Thank you so much.